POV Watching a local festival you stumbled upon by accident. The air is thick with laughter and the aroma of delicious food. Or as you wander through the colorful stalls, vibrant decorations catch your eye, each one radiating the spirit of the community. Children dance joyfully to the rhythm of musicians, their faces painted with bright colors, while vendors showcase handmade crafts filled with local artistry. The festival embraces you in its warmth. As you move deeper into the throng, the sound of cheerful chatter envelops you, creating a lively symphony. A group of dancers twirls gracefully nearby, their colorful costumes reflecting the sunlight. The smell of grilled treats beckons you toward a food stall, where the vendor smiles warmly, offering samples of exotic flavors. You accept one, savoring the burst of spices on your tongue, the taste a delightful surprise. Each bite seems to tell a story, weaving you further into the tapestry of this enchanting festival. The atmosphere feels alive, each corner unfolding new wonders. As you take another step, a nearby stage draws your attention, where performers are preparing for a lively show, their smiles infectious. The festival unfolds with surprises at every turn, leaving an indelible mark on your heart. As daylight begins to fade, twinkling lights illuminate the surroundings, casting a magical glow that encapsulates the essence of this vibrant community celebration. You take one last breath, feeling immensely grateful for this unexpected adventure. As you continue to explore, the pulsating heartbeat of the festival draws you toward a circle of onlookers, where an enchanting storyteller captivates both children and adults alike. With animated gestures, she weaves tales of ancient folklore, her voice rising and falling like a gentle wave. The audience hangs on her every word, laughter erupting at just the right moments, each story igniting imaginations. You find yourself wrapped in the narrative, momentarily transported to another time and place, completely engrossed in the magic of her storytelling prowess. As the storyteller finishes her tale, the crowd erupts into applause, their cheers echoing through the vibrant atmosphere. You notice a small child, eyes wide with wonder, pulling at their parent's sleeve, eager to share what they just heard. Inspired by the collective joy surrounding you, you decide to linger a moment longer, soaking up the camaraderie and warmth. Nearby, a cluster of teenagers break into an impromptu dance, their laughter blending seamlessly with the lively music still playing. The energy is infectious, and before you know it, you find yourself tapping your feet to the rhythm, a smile spreading across your face. The festival's spirit is utterly irresistible, a testament to the power of community and shared experiences, and you realize this is a memory you will cherish forever. As the sun dips lower in the sky, hues of orange and pink bathe the scene in a golden light, accentuating the vibrant decorations. The aroma of traditional desserts wafts from a nearby stall, drawing you closer. There, a friendly vendor greets you with a bright smile, offering a sample of fluffy pastries dusted with powdered sugar. You indulge, the sweetness a perfect counterpoint to the spices lingering on your palate, filling you with joy. With each delightful bite, you feel even more connected to this lively gathering, the warmth of community wrapping around you like a comforting embrace. You glance around, soaking in the beauty of the festival, when a loud cheer rises from the crowd. A talented juggler steps into the spotlight, tossing colorful balls into the air with a flair that leaves everyone breathless. His skill captivates onlookers, who lean in closer, their faces lit with astonished delight as they marvel at his deft movements. As the juggler concludes his act, his final flourish rewarded with thunderous applause, you feel a sense of fulfillment wash over you. The enchantment of the festival lingers like a melody, a reminder of the joyous moments shared with strangers who feel like friends. The evening fades, but the memories you've created will forever sparkle in your heart.